Hello and welcome to Assignment 4. In this video we're going to be going over some UI changes with menus. So to begin, we're going to go over our title screen menu. Go ahead and build here. So we have our start, settings, and exit buttons. You can see the slight discoloration whenever you hover over them. And so if you click on our settings button, it will go ahead and take us to our settings menu, where we have our slider, sound effect toggle, which is automatically set to on, and then our 3 different difficulties, and then the render mode, which I haven't changed these ones yet, and then our exit button, which works for the settings. And then if we want to exit the game, we go ahead and exit. Now as I hover over, you can see that we're out of the build, out of the game. So we'll go ahead and restart this, and we'll actually hop into the game, into our first level here. Alright, so now we also have our pause menu. So pause, hit return to title, takes us back. And then also have our save button, and we also have our resume button, which will go ahead and take us to our game that we can go ahead and play through. Alright, which is cool. And so the only big problem here is whenever we go and we go ahead and play and we start on our first level, is that we get our pause menu to already show up. The issue with that being is the player does not want to be thrown into the pause menu screen right as they start. And whenever you press the escape key, the menu does not pop up, which is obviously a big issue for users. And so, in troubleshooting this problem, I went ahead and went to the UI.cs script, and so I went to go take a look. And so, when you go on escape press, right, if input.key get key down, and keycode.escape, which is the escape key. And so I thought, okay, maybe it's just an escape key problem. I'll try a different key. All right, so for example, let's go ahead and use just the letter J for J on our keyboard. So we go ahead and save, implement these changes. Go ahead and run. Start, resume, and now whenever I press the letter J, nothing happens again. So that struck me as very interesting. You can also go ahead and note that our protected game object in-game menu, and whenever we have our start function, the in-game menu set active is supposed to be false. But whenever we go ahead and start the game, it appears to be true. So now you might be thinking that maybe you just haven't connected your game object together yet. So let's go ahead and go to Canvas. Right, title screen script is right here, which is great. Here, let me go to our level 1 in our canvas here. And now our canvas here is connected to our UI script, right, which is right here. And then we also have the in-game menu, which is connected to menu, which is right here, our menu object. Right, obviously having our options here. Right, our resume, being able to UI.resume, etc. So our game objects are connected, so not currently sure what that issue would be. I know I'd be able to get to this menu to go away, but then I just wouldn't be able to have this demo and show you that the other buttons work, right? Because you'd press escape and the button would not come up. For example, right on our title screen, we're able to make the settings menu go away, right? Like when you press the settings button and then the main menu, right, like disappears, right? And then when you press the settings menu, you cancel it, then the settings menu disappears, and then we're back to this screen, right? So I know I could make that workaround in the main pause screen. It's just making that escape key work. I'm not sure why that doesn't want to work, or yeah, that is currently where I'm at. Right, obviously making this escape key work will then result in the other functions working, right? So you can see pause menu, right, and resume being connected. So that is it. Thank you for watching.